What's up guys, this is Dennis with Luke Zion Jewelry. Thank you for tuning in today. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can clean your sterling silver jewelry right at home with a few items. So a few items you will need would be baking soda, aluminum foil, a bowl, and some boiling water. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to place the aluminum foil inside the bowl. Alright guys, so one thing to notice is make sure that the shiny side is facing upward. As you can see, this one's a little bit more dull here and this one's more shiny. So make sure the shiny part is facing outward. Step 2 is just put a little bit of baking soda inside the bowl. Next, you're going to place the sterling silver jewelry inside the bowl. So the next step is add the boiling water. Make sure that the water is nice and boiling. So you're going to start seeing all that sizzle. And for all my scientists out there, you can leave a comment exactly what's going on. Alright, so usually what I like to do is just add a little bit more baking soda on top. Just let it sit for a few minutes. So once it's been sitting for a while, just move it around a little bit. You're going to see that tarnish being removed instantly. Okay, so let's take a look at the first chain, just so you guys can see how it looks like. Brand new, all the tarnish has been removed. So it was mainly tarnished here on the end tips. That's usually where a lot of the sweat is as well. But it just removed the tarnish instantly. Alright guys, so let's grab the Cuban link chain here. It removed the tarnish right away. Big difference. So the next thing that you want to do is just rinse with water all the sterling silver jewelry to get rid of any of the baking soda left on the jewelry. Alright guys, so the next thing you can do is just dry up all your jewelry. Make sure there's no water left on the jewelry, that way you can give it a nice polish.